Here I am performing a banded bird dog row. You'll see that I hold in the center for an extended period of time. That's because I'm matching the breath work with the movement. So the exhale comes as the knee and the elbow meet, the inhale as the arm and leg extend. And you'll want to hold that squeeze in the center until you're completely exhaled, right? So empty all that air out, and you'll really feel the lower abdominal and pelvic floor engagement. Whatever reps you have, you're going to do them on both sides and then take some rest.